Top headlines for the day.
Salman Khan's Tubelight teaser is only making new records. Right now, the teaser of the film has clocked in 25 million views in just a week. Ever since the teaser of Salman Khan's new historical drama was released, it has stirred up his enormous fan base. The teaser met with an enthusiastic response and clocked in 25 million views on YouTube and Facebook. After achieving this milestone, the official handle of the film took to Twitter and captioned it, "The Tubelight teaser now has 25 million views, but the journey has just begun." The film, which is based on Indo-China war, is winning hearts across the world. Plus, it's Salman Khan's innocence and charm that is making us watch the teaser over and over again. Henna, now this is what we call Salman Khan's effect. Man, we seriously can't wait for the trailer. Anyway, so did you watch the trailer? Do share your comments in the section below.
In a nutshell, we usually see Katrina Kaif as a person who doesn't like to talk about her personal life. But apparently her love life has always been talk of the town, be it her equation with Salman Khan or her breakup with Ranbir Kapoor. Surprisingly, in a recent interview, the actress spoke a lot about her life details, which obviously includes Salman and Ranbir. Well, while talking to a leading daily, Katrina did not shy away from praising him, but things don't end here. Miss Kaif also made sure to take a pot shot at Ranbir Kapoor too. The Fitoor babe said that Salman has an added advantage of knowing Katrina well, so that's the best possible place anyone can work in. And that's exactly what she feels when she's on the sets of Tiger Zinda Hai. She feels that she's in really good hands. Kaif further added that being happy is a choice, and it's something you have to move towards too. So did Katrina hint at her failed relationship with Ranbir or what? What's your take on this? Do tell us below.
Director S.S. Rajamouli, who is very busy these days in celebrating the success of his recent blockbuster Bahubali 2 The Conclusion, is going to start off on a new project very soon. His new project, as per sources, will be a big-budget adventure fantasy film. According to sources, Rajamouli has his eyes on two of the leading actors of his time, who have greatly impressed the audience through their acting. The first choice is his actor of Bahubali, Prabhas, while the second choice that he is considering is of the Bajirao actor Ranveer Singh. His latest project will be released in Hindi, Tamil and Telugu, and according to sources, Rajamouli is highly impressed by Ranveer Singh's acting in some of his recent films. There are other rumors as well, which state that Rajamouli's choice is Prabhas, and casting Prabhas as the lead will guarantee a sure-shot success to the film. Well, the director is currently enjoying his vacation in the US and has ample time to decide the lead of his film. And we are all eagerly waiting for him to declare the name soon. Isn't that right, friends? Do let us know your thoughts on this choice in the comment section below. Who do you think will be more deserving of the role? Do let us know in the comment section below. Stay tuned to Bollywood Spy for your daily dose of filmy masala.
Needless to say much about Salman Khan being a perfect family man. The actor has always been a good bhaijan, not only to his industry friends but also to his family members. Salman, who has kept his family members away from making films with him after the debacle of Jai Ho, is now promoting his family again. Salman has brought his brother Sohail Khan back in his upcoming film Tube Light, where we will see Sohail marking his acting comeback after 7 years. Interestingly, Salman, who also considers Katrina Kaif as family, took her mother Suzanne and her sisters out for dinner recently, where he reportedly discussed the film debuts of her sisters Isabel and Sonia. With Salman working with sensible filmmakers like Kabir Khan and Ali Abbas Zafar, he may only involve his brothers as producers in his films and not as directors. So while Arbaz could be the producer of Dabangg 3 when it happens, he will most likely not helm the project. So what do you think? Do share your thoughts. A lot of conjecture was going around Saif Ali Khan's daughter Sara Ali Khan about her big Bollywood debut. पर अभी सुनने में आ रहा है कि सलमान खान, who is Bollywood's godfather, will launch Sara Ali Khan for his next production. Yes, this movie is said to be a love story, and guess who will be romancing Sara in the film? Well, it's none other than Ayush Sharma, who also happens to be Salman Khan's brother-in-law. A source revealed that Salman was anyway planning to launch his brother-in-law Ayush. However, it was only a few days back that Salman further decided to approach Sara for the same film. The source also revealed that Sara has heard the script and is expected to come on board soon. There have been speculations that Karan Johar is co-producing the film, but that's not true. Well, if Sara grabs the opportunity, then this would be interesting. So will Sara and Ayush have a great chemistry? What do you think? Do share your thoughts.
Salman Khan is a multitasker. I mean, how does he manage to do everything despite his kitty filled with big movies? Well, we are saying this because Salman is all set to produce a biopic on wrestler Gama Pahalwan. Apparently, this would not be for the big screen but for the small screen. Yes, it is said a few years ago Salman wanted to make a film on wrestler Gama Pahalwan, but it did not happen because John Abraham was also planning a film based on the sportsman. However, neither materialized, and now the reports suggest that Salman has decided to bring the Pahalwan to the small screen. A source is quoted as saying it will mark Salman's first production for the small screen. Sohail Khan will be playing the Pahalwan Gama, who was considered one of the greatest wrestlers of all time. The story will be set in Amritsar. Also, it was reported the pilot episode has been shot and sent to the channel. What's your take on this? Do comment below.
Well, we all know that blockbuster film Bahubali 2 The Conclusion has grossed rupees 1000 crores and is setting new records every day. But who will believe that this film, which is the highest grossing film, has suffered huge losses? Yes, the film had to suffer huge losses courtesy piracy. Shocking, isn't it? Sources की माने तो विशाल, the president of Tamil Film Producers Council, put forth a complaint against Tamil Rockers, a known piracy website, for making available pirated copies of Bahubali 2 on several sites. The Producers Council met City Police Commissioner to make sure those involved in this piracy act were taken action against. The statement further claims because of this, the movie has suffered a humongous loss. They have asked the police to take down these pirated versions immediately and also book the criminals in question. As per the complaint, Bahubali 2 was available for illegal download and had received a complaint from the producers of the film too. In fact, the piracy copy was available on the April 28, but with all this, the film still managed to create history. What you have to say?